Sip.
Hello everyone. Hello. Good afternoon. Do you want to sit? Oh, yeah, alright. So have you put your name in here yet? Please put it on your shirt here. Your name so that I can know your name. Please write down your name. So okay, let's just start the class. Okay. So this class will be speaking class. So I hope that we all can speak more today, all of us. And I just want to let you know that it's okay to use broken English. You don't have to really worry about the grammar too much. So if you know the vocabulary, just speak out loud, okay? In English. All right. So before we're moving to the activity, I want to ask, do you remember the last time, the previous lesson, you have listened to an audio recording? There are two women named Jane and Linda. Do you remember? Yes. Yeah. This is probably them. And then do you remember where did Linda went to? Bali, yeah. And then what gift did Linda give to Jane? Yes, pearl necklace. Good job. And here is the pearl necklace. And then what new information did Jane know from Linda? Do you remember? That pearls can be made into cosmetics. Yeah, yes, right. And this one is probably the place that Linda went to. She went to something farm. Do you remember what kind of farm is that? Yes, pearl farm. This is the image of pearl farm. Okay. Please have a seat. For those of you that have just joined, please write down your name and put it here. Alright. So because the boys are just arrived, I just told the girls that today we're going to have a speaking lesson. So I want you to speak more in today's lesson. And no worries, you don't have to have perfect grammar. Just speak comfortably, alright? Okay. Have you done the flip materials? Yes, great. So have you worked on the grammar part? Grammar, no, the speaking one. Do you remember? Okay, let's look at this screen. Yeah, this is the conversation between Linda and Jane, and I have highlighted this one, this the blue one, and this is actually orange, the orange one. All right, I want to ask, do you know the meaning of cute looking? Cute looking pearl necklace. What does that mean? Cute looking. Yes. Cute. So it looks cute or it looks ugly? Cute. Okay. It looks cute. So the pearl necklace looks cute. And cute looking here is a compound adjective, meaning that it's an adjective that formed by two adjectives into one word. But they have this hyphen. Hyphen? Do you know hyphen? No. Yeah, okay. And then what about this one? Saltwater pearl. What does this mean? Saltwater pearl. What's the difference between saltwater pearl and freshwater pearl? Sorry? Yeah, the price is, which one is cheaper? Yes, the freshwater pearls is cheaper. Is the ocean freshwater or saltwater? Saltwater. Is rivers or lakes saltwater or freshwater? Rivers. Freshwater. Rivers and lakes are freshwater. And ocean or sea is saltwater. Okay, so and these are, this one is compound adjective, and this one, the orange one, all of these are noun adjunct. It means that this is a noun, right? Saltwater, and this is also a noun, pearl. So it means that this is the pearl. What kind of pearl? Saltwater pearl. What kind of pearl here? Freshwater pearl. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Remove them because I guess you already understand this. All of this. So I want you to work in pair again. Just work with your someone beside you. Okay? Is that okay?
Okay.
Limaan.
Limaan.
Oh yeah, you three. One and two together. Right. So this is actually just basically true or false. I think you can just read the statement. Oh yeah. First of all, sorry, I forgot to mention. So you have to read it out loud because this is speaking class. So you have to take turn. And for example, me and you, I read the first sentence like this: a pearl necklace is a necklace made with pearls. And then you should answer with is it true or false. And then if he said true, I will write down T here. If it's false, I will write down
False.
F. Yeah, F. And if the statement is false, you should also write down the reason why it's false. Okay? But I want you to speak out loud. Okay? And then take turns. Alright? Okay. Let's start.
True. Kalau true
Yeah, true. If it's true, you don't have to give it any reason.
Oh.
Yeah. But please read the statement out loud. Okay? And take turn. Read it out loud first. You read the sentence out loud. Out loud. You should read the sentence out loud. Perhatikan ya, statementnya jadi gantian gitu. Soalnya kamu baca dulu. You read first. Pearl necklace is a necklace made with pearls, and then you answer true or false. And then the next one you read saltwater pearls come from rivers and lakes, and then you have to answer it with whether it's false or true. Okay. We can work together, and you should read out loud. Okay. Yes.
From ocean or seas, water, rivers, and
You should read out loud together. Yes.
true. Turn on rivers and lakes. We use the technology. Technology. Flash water. The crows are colors. Kita mau pakai teknologi ya. Sabar, kalau sebisa dulu. False 5. Oyster. Oyster. It is freshwater oyster. Oyster.
Yes, oyster.
Tuh, benar. Apa bisa? Where oyster are kept. Oyster are kept. Nah, gini aja sih, because bener kayak gini. Because oyster, ini kau-nya ganti apa sih? Oyster. Oyster. Apa sih? Produce. Produce from. It is a place where ya oke. Pani dia.
Ini a place where oyster
Masih kultivasi. Kultivasi.
are
Kids.
KEPT
S. Kultivasi ya.
to produce
Cultivation itu kayak kemampuan
Oh. Benar berarti. Apa sih?
Don't forget to read it out loud, yeah, the statements, because I want you to hear your voice. Yeah, I want to hear you speak.
Salah satu
apa? Original
valuable barang-barang tahu kayak
berarti barang berharga.
iya benar betul something lanjut
Don't forget to use English.
salah
Something
means
it means something. Apa sih?
it means
No?
something that
Aku tahu. Apa woi?
something
That
look pretty.
Okay, one more minute.
boys.
One more minute.
Nice.
iya, lalu apa? Cina.
Teknologi
Ball.
they are well made and less time.
Okay, let's start from this side. The answer.
They are
Oh, yeah. The time is up, so you can
Safe
still
and
do it.
good.
But we have. I want to ask from you first about the answer, and then
semua
I'll get to you later. Okay? No, just two questions.
Oh.
Yes, just a question. So for number one.
Pearls was is a necklace made with pearls.
Okay. True. Okay. Yeah, number one, true. Alright, number two.
Saltwater pearls come from the rivers and lakes. False.
False. Because?
Saltwater pearls are come from the ocean.
Alright, that's good. Excellent. Are you ready? Alright, number three.
Nomor siapa?
Number 3 and 4. You can take turn, you have to read. Take turn maksudnya bisa.
Ya, keren. Freshwater pearls are usually cheaper than saltwater pearls. True or false?
True.
From oyster is a type of oyster that can produce pearls.
Is it true or? True. Good job. It's okay, it's okay. Alright. Next. Number 4. Sorry, number 5 and 6.
are kept to keep to produce
Iya, ay.
To produce. Produce. False. Okay.
Cows.
House. Oh yeah. It's not a cow. Yeah. Cows.
Cows can produce
Cows cannot produce pearls. Okay, that's great. Number 6. Excellent. True. Great job. Number 7. 7 anyway.
50 angkatan dulu.
Wealth. Ocean of wealth.
Events tell about things that come from the sea.
Sure.
Good looking means something that
False. Why is it false?
because it is meant
Great. Excellent. Alright. Number 10. 9 and 9. Okay.
high quality products
Itu 50 aku
are
gambar.
made and ranked as the most considered high quality and good product.
Great.
The last one,
Skin safe products are dangerous for your skin. False. Because skin safe means dangerous for skin.
Yes. Skin safe means not dangerous. That's great. Excellent. Alright. You have, all of you are correct. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Do you have any question? No? Cultivation. Lots of you have asked about what cultivation means. Cultivation in bahasa Indonesia like pengembangbiakan for something. It can be plants, it can be animals. For this case, it's animals, pearls. Oyster. Cultivation of pearl oysters. Okay. All right. Here is the answer. Here are the answers. Skin safe products are safe for your skin. That's why they are skin safe. And then, not cute looking means something looks nice or pretty. And then this one also, pearl farm. This is not cows, yeah? Cows kan sapi. Pearl farm keeps oysters, not cows. And then rivers and lakes are freshwater. Alright. Next one, we're going here. Have you learned about some of the expressions we're going to use today?
Yeah.
Yes? Alright, here are the expressions. We're going to do like something like repetition learning. So I will ask you if you want to say you know about something, you can say. If you say that you know about something, you can use these expressions. I've heard that. Can you repeat that? I've heard that. Okay. Or you can also say, did you know that? Did you know that? Okay. This is for saying that you know about something. And then saying if you don't know about something, you can say, I don't know much about. Can you repeat that?
I don't know much about.
Okay, excellent. Or you can say, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
Excellent. Alright. And then number 3, saying you are curious. Do you understand what curious means?
Penasaran.
Penasaran. Alright. Curious, penasaran. You can say, I wonder.
I wonder.
You understand wonder? Yeah. No, not wonder. Wonder kayak something like wondering. How should I say that? You understand, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is I'm really curious about.
I'm really curious about.
Great. And then showing you are listening to somebody else. For example, somebody said something to you, and then you react. For example, oh really? Like that. Oh really? Okay, can you repeat that?
Oh, really?
Alright. Is that right?
Is that right?
Or wow, that's awesome.
Wow, that's awesome.
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 Okay. You don't have to say awesome, but awesome.
Awesome.
Yes, great. And then you can say if something is correct, you can say that's right.
That's right.
Okay. Or exactly.
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 Or I agree.
I agree.
Okay, that's great. So, do you have any question with these expressions? No? Alright. So, we're going to look again on the conversation, and then I want you to raise your hand if you know what you should fill in here. For example, this is conversation between Linda and Jane, sorry. And then inside the brackets, for example, showing you are listening. What should you say if you are listening to something? Can somebody answer? Here. Okay, look what I got you from Bali, Linda said. Wow, a pearl necklace. I love it. Okay, it's a saltwater pearl. Freshwater pearls are cheaper, you know. And then Jane said something that she listened to something.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? Okay, yeah.
Oh,
And then
really?
saying, you know.
Did you know?
Did you know? Great. Or?
Did you know?
I
heard that.
I heard that. Okay. And then Linda say something that it is correct.
That's right.
That's right. Okay, great. And then Jane something again, saying that she doesn't know.
I say.
I did. Yes, I didn't know that. And then showing curiosity. I wonder. Or
I'm really curious about.
saying you know again. She knows something. Hmm?
Did you know?
Did you know? Yes. Or I've heard that. I've heard that. Or did you know that? And then saying you don't know about something again.
I didn't know.
I didn't know that. Or
I didn't know much about.
yes, I don't know much about. Last one, showing you are listening.
Oh, really?
Or
Wow, that's awesome.
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 Great.
Awesome.
Alright, so let's repeat it together from here to here, okay? Just together. 1, 2, 3.
I heard that. Did you know that? I don't know much about. I didn't know that. I wonder. I'm really curious about. Oh, really? Is that right? So?
Ini is that right or is that so? Yeah, it can be is that right or is that so? Okay, this one.
Wow, that's awesome. That's right. You're right. Exactly. I agree.
Okay, good job. So you have done that very well. Very good job. And then, oh yeah, we have time actually. Speak and switch. This is a little bit more trickier. You will work individually. You will get one little card, a cue card, and then you should make your own sentence based on the picture given and the expression given below the picture. And then you should stand up and then talk with your classmates. Pair up, pair up, pair up, pair up, like that. I will give an example, okay? So I need one volunteer. Who wants to be, you want to be volunteer?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Who wants to volunteer? Just one person. Yeah? Okay. Alright, so, ceritanya, I have this card, yeah? I have this card, a picture of shrimp crackers, and then I have this expression that is incomplete. So I should complete this sentence. Yeah, for example, I said to you, did you know that shrimp can also be made into shrimp crackers? And then you should respond to me by showing that you are listening or showing that you agree. For example, okay, I'll try, yeah. Showing you are listening, for example, like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, oh really? Is that right?
Wow.
Wow, that's awesome. Or That's right. Exactly, or something like that. Okay? Okay, so I will say, did you know that shrimp can also be made into shrimp crackers?
Wow, that's awesome.
Okay, great. Just like that. And then you also have another card, different cards, and you can say it to me, and then I will respond to you. After that, you switch your card. Switch. For example, this is my card, and can you come here? Alright. For example, here. Come here. Alright. This is her card, and this is my card. After I read out my card, and you read out your card to me, we switch, and then find another partner. Okay? Okay, find another partner, and repeat that again. Alright? Okay, you understand? Okay, let's try it first. This picture, and then the expression is I'm really curious about. Can you complete it?
You know
Use this. I'm really curious about.
I'm really curious
I'm really curious about.
seaweed.
Oh, itu sih.
What are you curious about? Like, for example, products of seaweed. I'm really curious about what kind of products can be made from seaweed. For example, like that.
Next.
Okay. And then your partner should say, should respond,
Really?
oh really, or no, is that right, or what's the most appropriate for that? I'm really curious about the products. Or you can say just me too, it's okay. Me too, I'm also curious about that. You can say that too, okay? Okay, without further explaining, let's just start. Here are the cards, you'll get one each. One, and then you switch after you finish.
Apa ini? Ini orang. Iya.
Sea urchin. Iya, betul. Sea urchin.
Gak mau.
Oh, you got two. Okay. This is seaweed. Yeah, that's actually I have written down.
Shrimp can make a skincare product.
Ada juga?
Mana bisa? Kan wonder. Kayak maksudnya gimana gitu? Maksudnya gimana sih?
For example, here.
No, I didn't.
This is a coral reefs, and I should use word that coral reefs are damaged. For example, like that. And then your partner should say, "Oh, really?" Or "Yeah, I agree." Something like that. Then you read out. Alright, let's start. Are you ready? Please stand up. Stand up. You should work in here. 3, 0, 3, yeah.
Dua kan?
Yeah. Actually, it's pair work, but because you are 11 of there are 11 of you, so one group.
Ini ada di
Kata kita, kata 3 kalau kita berdua. Kalau berdua, berarti kita 2. Oh. Ya. Solo ya semua. Saya habis.
Okay, let's start. Do you understand the instruction?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Please stand up and find partner, and then exchange, and then switch card, and then find another partner. Okay?
Oh, cepat.
Yeah, find another partner.
Siapa dulu?
Okay, let's start. Please stand up. Stand up. Stand up. I wonder.
Coba lo satu. Jadi kita mau.
Yeah.
Ada instruksinya lagi.
Okay. You should say I don't know much about this problem. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't know that seashells can be used as a gift.
Fertilizer.
Right, you can share us anybody.
Oh, really?
It can be given to
Ini koran. Kalau
Yep. Kamu udah. Gimana sih?
I wonder shrimp can be products.
I don't know much about seashell rice.
Yes,
Jordan, find another partner.
Enggak, habis.
Ini shrimp loh.
Oh iya.
Yeah. Okay.
or you can switch with me.
I heard that.
Oh, I
Yeah, find another partner.
Sea salt can be your oil.
Yeah. Then you,
Oh, really?
yeah, you switch cards.
Yeah. I wonder that sea salt can be sea salt oil.
Oh, really? I don't know much about pearl salt. How did it work? Cara bagaimana cara bekerjanya ini?
So this one I really sponges can be used as baking sponge.
Itu keren. Pengen Faisal itu. Emang, emang. Lah itu udah buat tadi. Emang, ayo.
Biar main dulu. Lah, itu.
Tukeran yuk. Ayo bang, ayo Pak. Udah ini 50 juta. Langkah. Itu kamu.
Aku belum ngerti.
Ini ada mau ganti siapa ini? Oh really? Sama. I heard that essential oil essential. Apa sih tadi? Oh, I heard that sea salt essential oil. Apa ini? Really?
Products. I wonder what kind of products. From
Guru babi kan? Guru babi jangan.
Oh, yes.
yes, you can answer that or you can react for
Oh iya. I don't know much about seashell rice.
Tanyanya gimana ya bang? Ya, itu yang dua. Itu yang dua. Saya nggak lupain.
I didn't know that. What kind of rice?
Itu tukeran aku, woi. Ini biar beda kartu. Beda kartu. Seorangnya boleh beda.
You can walk with the same person but different parts.
Oh. Good, tapi dia ini. Capek sama. Ayo, siapa yang belum? Hey, oh really? I heard that coral reef are damaged. Benar kan? Ya. Udah.
I didn't know that. Sekarang kan
Udah itu.
ini gue baru
I didn't know that sea salt can be medicine.
Oh, really?
I've heard that.
Ya, gue belum.
Itu udah.
I didn't know that sea salt can be a gift.
Respon dulu dong.
I wonder seaweed can green
I didn't know really.
meat.
Itu.
Gue udah dapet ini.
Lah,
I've heard
gue belum. Ya, udah bisa dong harusnya. Ya udah. Video lo, video lo. Nah, yuk, gue belum. Ya.
I just
I wonder that seaweed can be a
I've heard that.
You're right.
Cosmetic
Apa sih?
yourself. Ini
I wonder seaweed can be fertilizer. Gantian. I really curious about I see that salad can seaweed can be
I have another part if you want.
I didn't know that seashells can be a gift.
Garam gimana?
Ini belum. Ini belum. Udah dia.
Yes. Tadi.
Ini satu berapa
Ini somebody.
Kita laki-laki udah.
Have you done this?
Udah.
Somebody there have two parts.
Ini gua asli banget.
Itu lah punya aku pertama.
Jadi gimana?
Ayo bareng-bareng. Itu Pak, sebelum itu udah.
Alright, have you done all the parts?
Udah.
Yeah.
Bukan mati orangnya. Lupa dong. Ya. Siapa yang lupa? Itu kan yang Pak. Ya. Aduh, itu masih
So you're getting familiar with the expressions. Can you say one of the expressions that you have learned? Expression that I've heard that.
Oh really?
And then
That's awesome.
I'm really curious about that. I wonder, great.
I feel that.
I've heard that, great. What about saying you don't know about something?
I'm really
I
curious
didn't
about.
know that. Yes. Okay. Great job. Great job. Now let's take the rest of it and
Minta gue bukan pakai kayak gini. Malu gimana?
Alright, so for the next activity you will need to work in pair again.
Yes.
Okay, so choose your partner. Have you choose your partner? Partner itu pasangan. Maksudnya or should I just mix again?
Nah.
Saying 1, 2, 3, 4?
Ini.
Okay.
Chinese boy.
You want to exchange partners? Okay. Kalau mau tukeran, if you want, it's okay.
Orang dong mau ikut kamu sana. Gak bisa. Kamu ada kayak gini udah ditanya korut.
So you should make your own dialogue right now. Own dialogue, but I will choose for you the topic. Here are the topics. Yeah, the topics: corals, sea salt, seaweed, sponges, fish, seashells, shrimp, and sea urchin. But okay, I want you to count. Do you want to be group 1 or group 2?
Satu.
This will be the ini ya urutannya. I will randomly pick 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sponges.
Sponges itu. Do you know sponges?
Iya.
SpongeBob.
Sponge.
Sponge itu ya.
Sponges.
Ya. Okay, so for group 1, okay, we'll see what kind of topic we'll get. And now,
Ikan aja please.
seashell. Okay, you're going to have topic seashell for group 1, group 2.
Lu ngapa sih? Lawannya internasional loh.
Group 3? Yes. You have sea salt. For group 3, you got sea salt. Have you got, what did you get?
Seashells.
Seashells, seaweeds, sea salt.
Kita seaweed.
Yes, seaweed you got seaweed. Seaweed is
Ya udah
like
bahas
and then last one.
Apaan?
Ini pakai punya dia aja mas.
Sponges. Okay.
apa sih enak?
Manja tuh.
Sponges for group 5. I think you be group 6, yeah?
Ini.
I think you should divide.
Ya.
Who wants to be? You. Together, you're going to get. Yeah. Yeah. You got pearl. Okay. So write down.
Kita bakal 3 dong.
Iya.
Miss 3 Miss.
Berarti nih 2
Pair. Pair.
3 aja.
No, pair.
3 lebih seru. Susah dialog tuh.
No. I will give an example. Don't worry. No worries.
Udah 2 aja.
Pearl. Sorry, seashell.
Belum sakit, Bro.
Apa sih? Number 2. Grup 2 siapa yuk? Tadi seaweed.
No, not you. Yeah, you're benar. Seaweed ya, seaweed benar.
Jadi
Seaweed.
kelompok berapa?
Group 3, sea salt. Group 4, what did you get? Shrimp.
Kandilan baru join nih.
Group 5, what did you get? Sponges. Okay.
Oke.
Numbers. Group 6, icebergs.
Skibang spare pen.
So I will. No worries, don't worry.
Insan apa?
If you want to take picture, you can. If you want to take picture of this, sorry, I should move. You already know, yeah.
Emang siapa dia?
Apa sih nggak ada apa-apa?
Oh bukan.
Okay. Tell me if you're finished.
Atas sana bayangan dia. Bayangan.
Okay, so
Itu si show. Kok kelihatan terus?
this is the sample dialogue.
Simple
Yes. Sample dialogue
Oh sampel.
about seaweed. But you should make another one.
Kita seashell.
Do you wait?
Gimana?
I need two volunteers to read this. Read it out loud. Who wants to do that?
Bilang.
You or I choose?
Choose.
Okay, you and you. You will be Alia and you will be Rafi. Okay?
Rafi.
No, just read it out loud. Just read this out loud. No, you.
You know that.
No, not you. Her first.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah, you go first.
Did you know that some kinds of seaweed are used as medicine?
Oh really? I didn't know that.
Yes, it can even help improve digestion.
Digestion.
I'm really curious about other ways to people use it.
Okay.
I've heard that seaweed is also made into snacks.
Yes, great.
Yes, that's right. Many people like crispy seaweed chips.
Okay.
I don't know much about seaweed snacks, but I wonder if they are healthy.
Yes, they are healthy because they contain vitamin and minerals.
Okay, thank you. Your name is?
Diane.
Fawas or
Oh yeah, Fawas. And you? Regine. Oh yeah, Regine. Thank you, Regine and Fawas. So, did you know what kind of expression is this? Do you remember? Knowing something. So you have to include all of the files that you have learned. 5 expression. Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay. Here. You have to include at least one of these, one of these,
One.
one of these, one of these, and one of these in your dialogue. Okay, you can take picture. You can take picture. Just make a simple one. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Overcomplicate. You don't have to overthink it. Just write a simple dialogue. For example, this is simple enough. So you have to say, you have to include saying you know about something, and then you have to include saying you don't know about something. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. So we can start now. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay.
Seashells. Ya, lu mau nanya so boleh jawab. Jadi kalau itu you know apa?
Finish? Yes. Finish konten atau
Oh yeah. Okay. You should write it down, and then for the last 3 minutes, you should practice it. Now it's 5:20, and in 5:30 you have done the dialogue, and then you practice your dialogue. Try, guys,
Memorization.
guys, attention please. You should write that down, and then try to memorize. But just you don't have to memorize all the things. Just a little bit, so that when you perform here, you don't look like this. But you can look a little bit, and then look here, and then like this. Okay? When you read your dialogue.
Kan beberapa doang, masa semuanya kirim jauh? Nggak mungkin yang gede-gede kayak gini.
Nggak ada
gini dijadiin. Ada lah.
Terus kalau seashells itu pakai samkai atau
Some kind?
saya kayak di Cindo samkai
Oh yeah, you can do that.
opal.
Some kinds of seashell. Yeah, that's great.
Seashells are some kind of uses them. They are used as home decor aja. Craft. Home decor. Home decor ada dekor.
Cuma udah. Kalau bisa gue cari. Bisa gue benerin.
I just read your message. Sorry, Dylan. I just read it. Oh, congratulations. Wow.
Dua sama emas.
Really?
Ini gitu loh.
Usah.
I'll announce it later.
Kenapa?
Dulu apa?
Apa sih? Tengil amat sih.
Berarti yang lain bisa.
Ini ini Cuk. Ini ya, Pak. Gambar lu mau bahas di rumah. Saya ambil gambar gua masih ada di rumah. Apa? Yang gua gambar pas hari itu yang ambil. Ini gambar. Terus ini masih ada. Masih
Berarti yang lebih dari
yang itu dulu masih ada. Mahakarya. Apalin.
Dia kali.
You have done?
Dia kali ini.
Yes. You have, but you don't
Nggak usah
memorize all the names. You can make it simple, make it simpler, and then try to remember as much as you can. You know, you can just read it as this.
Ini kayak bisa lihat di pipi, cuma tetap fokus ke aku juga. Apa? Ini udah, simpelin lagi pendek banget. Kurang apa kurang pendek? Iya. Gambarnya itu gambarnya ini lemnya udah gede.
Sama yang I will choose one.
Itu gue tambahin sesuatu di bawah, sini gue tambahin lagi.
Enggak. Smoothie dari
Sama ih. Aku ketahuan dulu salah.
Gua pilih si Kenny. Ayo Daya.
When it's alive.
Jadi kita masukin per
While it's
Bisa
alive.
dapetin semua yang awal-awal aja.
Iya.
Alive.
Kita lagi tajam udah.
While it's still alive.
Apa bedanya anjir?
Beda itu ada pakai kata-kata yang ini terus bikin itu.
Selain itu bisa apa ya?
Kayak itu tadi. Iya. Gue yang nanya kok yang jawab. Lu jawab aja dah.
Nah, ini jawab.
Did you know that seaweed can be used in beauty products? Oh, ini tapi dihafalin. Oh, apalah. Yes, it can help shape skin healthy. Skin healthy.
I heard there's about other uses of seaweed.
I've heard that seaweed is also used in sushi and salad.
Yes, there are many Japanese dishes use seaweed.
I don't eat seaweed much, but I wonder if it's healthy. Healthy.
It is healthy because it has vitamin and Ayo lanjut.
Oh, you use this one? Did you use this one? Or did you make another dialogue?
Oke, kita pakai.
Oh, you use this one? I think you should change something to this so that's not the same as this one.
Beda beda beda.
Harus beda gitu.
Kita beauty.
Oh, ya ya, kita beauty produk sih. Brian aja, Brian.
Pincer. They are.
Kacamata lu.
Yes, they are. Berarti lu bikin
Tuh dibanding skinny.
Ya, kayaknya lu buka-buka melanggar privasi. Apa sih?
Ayo ngirim mama. Ayo. Ayo. Good boy.
Pesan ini dihapus Vincent dong. Vincentnya di mana?
Dong. Lu buang.
Ih, tahu banget, tahu banget pasal.
Mau nanya lagi ya. Jadi dari apa sih?
Ih, lensanya.
Yes, they
Ini hafalin dulu.
contains vitamins and improve.
Ayo, ayo. Did you know that some kinds of seaweed are used as beauty product?
Oh, really? I don't know that.
Yes, it can help keep the skin healthy.
Uncurious about other uses of seaweed.
I heard that seaweed is also used in sushi and salad.
That's right. Many Japanese dishes use seaweed.
I don't eat seaweed so much, but I wonder if it's healthy.
Yes, it is.
Oh,
Yeah. Give notes on your friends' dialogue. Later.
kita kalau berapa? Tim satu itu. Lah, beda. Kita tim dua. Lah, kita yang tim dua.
Yeah, you're team one, right? And we used to be like
Sales performance.
Oh, soalnya terakhir apa? Dua. Apa ini? Seaweed. Seaweed kita apa? Seashell. Tadi kan udah.
You can choose one of these to right here. You can choose one of these. Sorry. For example, I like how they. You can write it here. I like how they, for example, mention about beauty products or something like that. Or one thing they can add is you can add something. Or my favorite part was about. Just write down your favorite part from your friend's performance. Okay? Later. Now you can still practice.
Apa dulu dong?
Ih, kan yang di gua yang dikirim lagi. Ini yang lebih simpel supaya kelihatan jelas. Did you know that seaweed can be used in beauty products? Apa sih?
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yes, it can help keep the skin healthy.
Look, I'm curious about doctors.
Ini nggak usah.
Order,
Apa sih? Order.
Order
Udah gampang apa sih? Mungkin
Order
Bang.
uses of seaweed.
I've heard that seaweed is also used in sushi and salad. Buru nih. Ini benar. Yes, that's right.
Yes, that's right. Many Japanese dishes use seaweed.
I don't eat seaweed much, but I wonder if it's healthy.
Yes, it is healthy because it is many.
It has vitamins and minerals.
Terus mereka main ya.
Yuk,
Ayo, ayo.
memorize.
Yeah. But you don't have to. If you can remember some part so that you don't read all the time. Do you want to do the second one?
Did you know that seaweed can be used in beauty products? Oh, you didn't know? Yes, it can help the skin healthy. Help the skin healthy. I've heard that seaweed.
You can practice it out loud. It's okay.
Salad.
Just speak.
Did you know that seaweed can be used used in beauty products? Did you know seaweed? Did you know that seaweed can be used in beauty products? Yes, it can help the skin healthy. As well as seaweed is also used. I've heard that seaweed is also used in sushi and salad. I love the seaweed much, but I wonder if it's healthy.
Happy practice over dialogue.
Lagi ini loh.
Oh, iya. Jadi dia.
Gue apaan?
Just make it simple.
Berdiri.
Make it.
Berdiri dulu baru gua asli.
Oh, okay.
Happy practice.
Start practicing.
Ayo.
Start practicing together.
Did you know that seaweed can be used in a beauty product?
Oh really? I don't know that.
Yes, seaweeds. Yes, it can help the skin healthy.
Coba dari lain guys about that. Or that use of seaweed.
I've heard that seaweed is also used in sushi and salad.
Many other countries use seaweed.
Yes, I don't eat seaweed much, but I wonder if seaweed
Many people use girls. Yes, it's healthy because it has vitamin A. Minerals. They are perfect in nutrition and improve the results. But using it as common water.
ini dulu ini ya. Itu gitu. Tanya lu, tanya lu sudah amat, gue jadi kaget. Ambil yang ambil siapa?
Bila siapa?
Lo berdiri duluan.
I know about the.
Buruk-buruk berdiri.
Ini dulu lah. Lu tadi gua ngapain tuh ah? Kalau kayak nama sih. Kok malah dulu?
Okay, okay. We have one.
Biar rame. Aku udah lama.
He's ready. He's not ready yet.
Iya.
Really? Okay. Okay, guys, let's hear from group 2. Alright. Let's just hear first. Give applause. Yeah, we'll see. They're going to talk
Aku mau
about
tarik ini nggak bisa narik.
Right. Let's hear from them.
Kan gue nanya.
Okay.
Siap.
Apa? Apa sih? Tiba-tiba gini. Did you know that seaweed can be used in beauty products?
Oh, really? I don't know that.
Yes, it can help keep the skin healthy.
I'm really curious about other use of seaweed.
I've heard that seaweed is also used in sushi and salads.
Is that right? Many Japanese dishes use seaweed.
I don't eat seaweed much, but I wonder if it's healthy.
Yes, it's healthy because it has vitamins and minerals.
Yay! Great job. Okay, this is group 2. You can write down your comments here for team 2. For example, I like how they, or one thing.
I like Faisal.
What did they mention? Do you remember?
Cosmetic.
Beauty products. And what else?
Vitamin.
Sushi.
Sushi and
Sushi.
salad.
I can use for sushi, Japanese cuisine, yeah?
Yeah,
Japanese
this
food
is
or Japanese food. Okay, that's great, excellent. Thank you, Kenny and
Faisal.
Faisal.
Faisal, kenapa terus?
Okay, Faisal. Okay. Alright, next.
Langsung cukup lah,
Dia juga lagi. Wajib.
Let's give applause to the next group. This is group 4, yeah?
Lu punya HP kan?
5. Okay. Group 5. What's your topic?
Nih, gua punya ring.
Sponges. Okay, sponges.
Sponges.
Everybody, just listen.
Did you know that sponges come from the sea?
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yes, people use them for bathing because they are soft for skin.
I'm really curious about other uses from the sponges.
I heard that sponges is used for cleaning dishes too.
Yes, that's right. They hold water well, so they are effective.
Okay, yay, thank you. So wait, stay here. Do you guys listen? What's the use of sponge?
Can
Okay.
be used for
What do you say before?
What's the teacher?
Bathing and cleaning.
For bathing and cleaning. You know sponge, right? Yeah. And then what's other uses? Do you mention it?
Cleaning dishes.
Cleaning for cleaning the dishes. Okay, that's great. So they have the capacity to absorb water.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. All right, thank you. Who are you, Nadira and Aya? All right, thank you. Don't forget to write down your comments. Give positive feedback for your friends. Alright, who's next? Who wants to go? Not yet? Yeah?
Habisin aja.
Brian.
You want to go?
Brian.
Oh, Brian, okay.
Belum. Merah aja.
Tarik baju dulu.
Okay, I'll give you 1 minute, yeah? 1 minute. And then I'll choose, or you can volunteer.
Yang ini ya. Ini. Yang ini loh.
Oh, yeah.
Botak tunggu lagi.
Okay.
Botak.
Alright, what is your topic?
Grup berapa?
Shrimp. They're going to talk about
Shrimp.
Let's hear it.
Did you know that some kinds of shrimp be made for food? Really, I don't know that. Yes, it can even while it's still alive. I'm really curious about these people eat shrimp while it's still alive. I've heard that shrimp is also made into snacks. I know about it. It's delicious. That's true.
Yay! Wait here. You've just heard about shrimp that?
Can be
What?
crackers.
Yes, crackers. And then before that? Frozen food. And then?
Into snacks.
To snacks. Do you write something interesting before that? I've heard that, or I'm really curious. Okay, guys. She said that she's really curious why
People eat shrimp while it's still alive.
people eat shrimp while it's still alive. Do you know that? Did you know that?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, I just knew that because I just knew that you can eat shrimp while it's still alive, you know? It's a new thing to me. Okay, thank you.
Lah tadi kamu boleh?
Bes, itu berapa? Tapi jangan
Lah tadi gua baca berapa? 5. Lah. Kita dong. Semuanya. Good presentation.
Okay, you are team 6. Okay, what's your topic?
Pearl.
Pearl, okay.
Did you know some kinds of pearl are used as string?
Oh really? I didn't know that.
It is usually worn by gentlemen.
I'm really curious about other ways people use pearl.
I've heard that pearl is also made into cosmetic and skincare.
Yes, that's right. Many people use pearl as a skincare.
Is that right? But I wonder if they are healthy.
Yes, pearl contains mineral and improve your skin health.
Okay, great. So what did you know about pearl? Or what are you curious about?
Pearl can be as a skincare.
Okay, can be made as a skincare grade. Other uses from pearls did you mention?
Rings,
Huh?
rings.
Ring? Oh, ring. Okay, yeah, jewelry. Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, I want to announce that he just won what?
Karate.
Karate, yeah. National championship
Karate.
for karate. Okay.
Iya aja kesodokan.
You want to go next? Next is team 1.
Tim Wan.
Okay.
Did you know that some kinds of seashells are used as home decor?
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yes, it can also be a wall decoration.
I've heard that seashells also be a keychain too.
Yes, that's right. Many people like to use shells as keychain.
I don't know much about making things from seashells, but I wonder if it's hard to do.
It can be tricky, but with the right tools, it's fun and creative.
Yeah, that's right.
Cool. Wait.
Wait.
What things did you mention? Have you heard or what are you curious about in your dialogue?
Many people like to use shells as keychain and it can be a wall decoration.
Oh, okay. He said that, did you know that seashell can be made into home keychain? Did you know that? Seashell can be made into keychain and home decor. Alright, okay, thank you. The last one, yeah, I think. Last one, right? Yeah, last one.
Kalau tiga. Tadi apa saya kecil?
Home decor.
Good presentation. Ada lagi deh.
Yang nama kan
Siapa yang video ini?
Right, what's your topic? Seesaw. Okay, they're going to talk about seesaw. Okay, let's hear it.
Did you know that you can use seesaw for spa product? Yes, it can be used for spa product. Yes, it can be used as a product. The example is a bath salt. It can improve your bath experience and give a relaxed sensation to your body.
I wonder how people use sea salt.
I've heard that it can be used for food seasoning too.
Exactly. A lot of people use sea salt for food and cooking.
I wonder if they are healthy.
If you use or consume it too much, it will be dangerous for your body health because it contains natrium and fire.
Hey, that's really great. They can memorize it. Good job. What are the uses from sea salt? Did you mention? Bath salt. And other things?
And for food seasoning.
Food seasoning. Alright, great job. They can memorize that. Alright, everyone is already to the floor. Please give notes to your friend. I think team only until team 6. Last one is team 6.
Ada salah ini 10 dari 10.
Udah dong, guys bagus ini.
Alright, who wants to give feedback for their
I
friend?
like how they.
Oh wait, okay. Starting from group itu aja ya, at the back. You are group 5 ya? 5. 5, right? Yeah. Which group do you want to give comments on? Group 1. All right. What's your comments?
We like how they explain seashells that can be made into kitchen and home decoration.
Great. Okay. You can say thank you to them. You're not group 1, right?
Iya.
Oh yeah. They're giving feedback to you. All right. Next one. Do you have any comments to another group?
Tim 5 sih.
Our favorite part.
Which group? Group 2. Okay. Group 2.
Our favorite part was about seaweed.
Sorry?
Our favorite part was about seaweed can be beauty products.
Oh, can be beauty products. Okay. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. They said that their favorite thing is to know that seaweed can be made into beauty products. Seaweed,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Beauty products. Do you have any comments on another
No
group?
problem.
Huh?
No problem.
Did you write it?
Yeah.
Just give one comment. Okay.
Team 4.
Team 4. Okay.
Opa. Yang anu bilang.
Oh,
Itu yang mau ya.
This one, right? They're talking about
Langsung sharing segitu cuy.
the team 4 is shrimp. Yeah, they're talking about shrimp. Yeah.
Interest how they can explain shrimp because of their explains you can know more about shrimp.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you for your comments. You? Do you have any group or 2 group? You can read it out.
jualan. Ini baca 5 belum.
Hey, group 5. Sponges. Okay. They will give.
Baca belum.
You can read it out.
Coins can be free.
My favorite part.
Sponge can be for bathing and sponge is from sponge can be for bathing and
What is it?
and sponge is soft.
Soft. Oh, okay. I just gave you for bathing. And they can absorb water.
I like how they present about the advantages of sponges.
You give comments to group 5. Alright. Okay.
We like how they present about
Oh, shrimp.
Cobain
they can be productive.
Okay.
Udah pulang.
Okay. Now is the extension part. Actually, our activities are finished, but since we still have around 7 minutes, so it will just be you. If you have like any idea of this topic, I have several topics because this is speaking lesson, so you can give any ideas to this topic. For example, here, too much plastic in the ocean. You can like, for example, oh yeah, I've heard that too much plastic in the ocean because, or you can add, I don't think it's good because something like that. So I need you to think and create any idea, and if you have the answer, you can raise your hand. Right? Okay? Alright. So this is the first one. Too much plastic in the ocean. If you have any idea, you can raise your hand and speak about this. What do you know about plastic, or is it good or is it bad?
Ocean is so Ocean tuh punya dia cowok. Ya macam-macam.
Lu kali aja.
Bilang jangan ngambek. Aku masuk bilang apa masuk bilang. Masuk aja biar dia. Aku masuk berhenti dia. Jangan berhenti.
Berisik deh.
What else? I've heard that. I wonder. Yeah, you can use this sentence. Just make one sentence about this topic. Anyone? Anyone want to make a sentence? This one. Okay, I'll give an example. For example, yes, I've heard that people used to throw trash on the sea, so it makes the ocean becomes dirty. For example, like that. Okay. Next topic. You can also, if you don't know about that, you can say I wonder because you're wondering about something, or I'm really curious about. You can say that. Yes, I. Oh, I thought you raised your hand. Kenny, do you know? Do you have any idea? Or this one, okay. Which one is more easier?
Thank you.
No, yeah, this one. I need to hear one sentence.
Thank you.
This one? No, oh, second. Okay, this one. Alright. Yeah, that's great. She said, can you repeat it?
I wonder
Mm-hmm.
when the effect people catch many
Yes, that's great. She said, I wonder the effects, yeah, of people catching too many fish. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Nadira, right? Kanaya, oh, sorry, Kanaya. Sorry. Anyone else? I've heard that. Or this one, coral reefs are damaged by tourists. Or you can say, I didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't know that. Or I don't know much about, right? Just one more? One more? One more and then we can finish it. Okay.
I don't know much about coral reefs. Can be damaged by tourists.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Thank you, Kenny and everyone. Right? Thank you. Class is over. Can you give me your feedback? Not just the feedback. Yeah, just yeah.
Isinya sangat lemah buat presentation. Ya, berapa kelas kemarin masih 8 tadi ya
Is this one? That's for you.
Berarti lebih pintar.
Yes, you can.
Ya.